everyone. So I have a haul from onedaysavings.com. I have worked with them many times in the past, and they asked if I would like to continue to work with them, and of course I said yes, I would. So I'm going to share with you guys today what I picked out and what they sent on over. So they have a ton of diamond paintings, and y'all know how much we love our diamond paintings over here. So here is what the box for this one comes looking like. I'm just going to take everything out there. So this one is a wall hanger of a butterfly. It is absolutely huge. It's so gorgeous. I cannot wait to see what it looks like once it's all completed. Now for this one, it does come with rhinestone drill bits, which you guys know if you've been following me for a while. That is absolutely my favorite kind to go ahead and put together. So you can see she has roses in her wings, and it does have the picture right here on the cover of what she is meant to look like. And then here are all of her little drill bits. Like I said, these are little rhinestone ones. So we have those. Oh, she comes with a light. I did not realize that she lights up. So there is this pack of fairy lights in here. So you're just going to need some batteries. Let's see what kind of batteries we need. So we need 2 AAA batteries. You can see it says right in there. Wow, that is fancy. Like I said, I did not realize that it would be able to light up. And then it's just a little like twinkle fairy lights right there. So I'll have to get batteries when I'm all completed. And then every kit comes with the standard things you need to go ahead and put it together. So you have the tray, the bags for your rhinestones, the wax, and your pin. And then she has a chain, so you could go ahead and hang her up on the wall. The next item we have is this gorgeous cross. I love how it has like the wood background. You can see right here, it looks like it's all out of wood. And this one too is also made using rhinestones. And then this one is meant to hang. You can see there's a hole right here, and it does come with this cord. Now with this one, I will probably not use the cord and do something more like this one and include a chain to it. I think it'll just be really pretty. So I'll probably just go ahead and get some jump rings to loop through there, and then just hang it off of a chain, and then use it as a wall decoration as well. And same thing with this one. It comes with all of the rhinestone drill bits, and it has the beginner's kit, which is exactly like this one. So it has the pin, the wax, the little baggies for your rhinestone drill bits, and then it does come with its own little string to go ahead and hang up on the wall. But like I said, I'm going to change that up and just use some chain. And let's see, for this one, you can see the image right here. It's this gorgeous little girl hanging and swinging from a tree. When I saw this one, I just thought it was absolutely beautiful. So let's open this one on up. Ooh, this is pretty large. Okay, let me move these items so I can show you. So this is pretty big. So here is the tree. Oh, she's double-sided. Wow, she's fancy. So we have the tree. There's the holes right here where you're going to go ahead and dangle her down from. So there's the tree. Here are all the rhinestone pieces that you're going to need to go ahead and complete it. Here is your basic kit that you need to do the diamond art. Let's see. Oh, here's our little girl. Let's open this up and see what else is in here. Looks like the base and the chains are in this pack. Yep, so here is our base. Oh, I see. So there's a clear base that you would attach to the bottom. And then you're just gonna do the drill bits on one side, because I don't see why you would do it on the bottom, because then it's gonna be kind of uneven and you're not gonna be able to see it. So I'm gonna say that you need to take off the plastic film off of here and go ahead and attach it to the bottom. There's already glue on here and on here. So you're just gonna attach those two pieces together and then just do the drill bits on one side. And then right here in this slit, you're going to go ahead and attach it to this piece down right here. So that way you could get the tree to stand up. And then here is our gorgeous little girl right here. She is double-sided just like our tree. And then it did come with 2 chains, so we could go ahead and hang her up. Let's see, where's our holes? Oh, here's our holes here. So we would feed that through there. Then feed it through up here and go ahead and attach those. So she would fall about there, right in the middle. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so cute. I cannot wait to see what she looks like all completed. She's going to be absolutely gorgeous. I think this is going to be my favorite piece of all time. This one and the bee are like my top picks. So this is going to be really pretty. I cannot wait. I think we'll get started on this one first. On their website, they do also sell the sealers, because I do get that question a lot. What do I do once I'm done? I do seal all of my projects, and they do sell the sealer on their website. So you could just go ahead and type in sealer and it pops up right in the little search bar. So that's what I use. I use the product that they have on their own website. It works fabulously. I haven't had any problems with it at all. And our last little item we have here is a canvas. Can you guess what she is? She's a piggy. So let's open her up. Oh, look, there is her little face right there. I'm really excited about this one too. I think she's going to be so cute. Look at her little sweet face. We have a little butterfly. We have some roses in her hair. And we just have our sweet little piggy girl here. Now, she is the traditional diamond dots. So, see, these are just solid colors. These are not rhinestone like the other ones. I do prefer rhinestone ones, but these are going to be just as beautiful as the other ones. So that's going to be really nice. So you guys could go ahead and see and compare for when you're looking at these, if you prefer something with the rhinestones or if you prefer something with the classic diamond dots. And like all of our other kits, she does come with our little beginner tool set. So yeah, that's going to be really pretty to go ahead and put together. I don't remember if I said I do have a coupon code with them, but it is upper lowercase sensitive, so I'll leave it in the description box. But it is Vagabond 5 off. So I'll just leave that in the description box so it's easy for you guys to see and find, and you can just copy paste it over onto their website. And I'll leave the link to their website and to all of these products down in the description box. I'm really excited to get started on these. They're going to be absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to share with you guys what these look like. If you guys have any questions about diamond painting or anything like that, please go ahead and let me know. I'm more than happy to help and answer any questions that I can. Alright guys, we'll see you later. Bye guys.